Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one best website you can claim dogecoin or bitcoin from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website link available in description. This website name is dogetome. This is the new website launched, okay, and this is all the way you can earn the Faucet, short links, BTC ads, lottery, achievement, offer walls, ranking level, and urdu Faucet. Okay, this much withdrawal people get from this website, this much dollar earn from this website, and this much users available in this website. Okay, you can earn dogecoin and bitcoin. Okay, and this is brand new website. Okay, launch it. I share with you the registration. Okay, the registration is very simple. You can register yourself, and this website link available in description. Okay, this is the registration form. You can register yourself, put your email, username, password, and confirm password. Solve the capture. You can choose your capture, solve media capture, and any capture. Just click it, register. You can register yourself. I have already account, just I log in my account. Okay, now I put my username and email, and this is a H capture. Just I solve the capture and login, and I share with you the rest of website. Okay, this is the rest of website. You can earn from this website with a lot of ways. Okay, the first way you can earn in here, the referral. Okay, this is the two way you can withdraw your funds. One of these is dogecoin, the next one is bitcoin. You can withdraw your money. Okay, this is my balance because I didn't work in here. This website is brand new website, and you can reach the level, and after reaching the level you can earn much more. The first one is the referral. You can share your referral link with your friends. 20% of commission you can find. This is your referral link. Okay, this is all the referral link you can share, and you can earn your commission. The next one is achievements. You can reach in achievements like claiming Faucet 10 times, 25 times, 50 times. You can reach in the achievements, and you can watch advertisement, and you can earn advertisement too. Okay, every achievement have energy and USD. I tell you about energy after this. Okay, the next one is urdu Faucet. Urdu Faucet needed energy. Okay, if you have energy, like you can see in here, this website pay you dollar and energy. If you complete this one, pay you 50 energy. Okay, then this one is 100 and 150 energy. This all about the energy. If you have energy, just click in here. This one be automatically you can claim. Okay, and the next one is manual Faucet. Manual Faucet is every day you can manually faucet 100 times, and you can earn every time this much, and the timer is 1 minute. Okay, you can click your just capture, recapture, solve media capture, any capture you want. You can click it, and you can click your reward, and you can click your reward. Okay, right now as my internet is very slow, about that didn't show me the capture, and you can do it after your internet is very high. Okay, the next one is the short links. Short links is one of another best way. Available short links is this much, and if you watch all of these short links, you can earn this much dollar and this much energy. Okay, if you watch all of these short links. The next one is BTC ads. BTC ads, one of the best way you can earn this much available ads in the website. This is all advertisement website. Okay, if you watch all of these ads, you can earn this much dollar. Okay, if you watch daily, you can earn $1 daily with this website. Is 100% guarantee. Okay, every day you can earn $1. The next one is lottery. Lottery is one of another way you can participate the lottery. You can buy the tickets and you can participate the lottery. Okay, the lottery price is this much dollar. And the next one is offer wall. Offer wall will be open in the after your level reaching in level 1. Okay, this is one of the best website I share with you. You can earn $1 daily if you work with this website, and this website link available in description. After 1 week I will be share with you the withdrawal with the Bitcoin and dogecoin. You can withdraw in your Faucet pay. This is the minimum withdrawal. Okay, 0.01. this is very least withdrawal minimal. Okay, and you can earn much more. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and this website link available in description. Bye bye.